Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is July 13, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis, to where we're here to give you all our price predictions according to the charts. The only one who is able to give you forward price predictions without using indicators, patterns, shapes. This is the unconfusing type of analysis that you will get anywhere else. We don't use anything on our chart. You guys can definitely see here on the left side of the screen that we only have price bars and volume. That's all you really need in order to understand where the market's going to go. So I just don't understand why so many people try to confuse you all as to where prices are likely to go. And I'm going to give you an example, proof that we definitely understand exactly what the market is going to do. Right side of the screen is our HueFin News Patreon page, and it's only for our members. It's only $3 a month. It's not expensive. And with this type of forward price predictions, you guys will definitely be ahead of the game. We are not trying to sell you all on something that does not work. We would not be on YouTube if we knew that this type of analysis was not very accurate. The analysis that we're going to do for today is with Bitcoin Cash paired against BTC. And you can see here that it is currently up 2.27% today in the market. And before I do, I'm quite sure you all can see that here on Bitcoin. This is the 3-hour chart. You can see here that this particular coin made a huge movement up and higher in price, and now we came all the way back down as low as 61.25. And here on the right side of the screen for our HueFin News members, I wrote in the caption, "Don't get tricked in this last movement higher." It's funny how it occurred at the last hour of the daily price bar. Our analysis changes slightly due to this abrupt change in the market to mostly consolidation for tomorrow. The conclusion of the daily price bar seems like this was their last gasp of air before the market really tanks. We'll see though. Bitcoin concluded the day with a powerful precursor strength, so you know what that means. This is how the market operates, but nothing has changed from our long-term objective. We told all of our members, do not get fooled by what you saw here in Bitcoin on this particular 3-hour bar. A lot of people felt like the market was going to continue to move higher. And again, we still have an enormous amount of weakness coming in this particular coin for Bitcoin. Definitely, market definitely has a lot of downside movement to go, especially if this current daily price bar closes towards the low of the bar. We still have about $6,000, maybe a lot lower than that, to contend with before we are able to move higher in price. This is definitely an indication that the market is weak, but again, this daily price bar is not completed yet. But for what we have seen over the last couple of days to the very beginning half of 2018 definitely tells us that we have not changed in our movement direction and lower prices. We simply just took a break in the market, but overwhelmingly I'm still seeing consolidation and movement lower for Bitcoin. So that is going to be our analysis for Bitcoin. And now onward to what we stated for Bitcoin Cash yesterday into today's trading. Okay. So you can see that we uploaded this video yesterday around 7:15 p.m. And I want you all to listen to what was stated in our video yesterday compared to what happened today in the market for Bitcoin Cash. Next on the list is going to be Bitcoin Cash. You can see that this currency is down about 1% too. Last trade was 10,948 Gs, and we're still in the consolidation for Bitcoin Cash. A lot of the other cryptocurrencies are making drastic moves lower in price, but Bitcoin Cash is staying relatively calm. So you definitely need to start putting this one on your radar for Bitcoin Cash, because this market is being very reluctant into moving lower in price. This is a probable precursor of strength here on the daily price chart for Bitcoin Cash. So again, keep your eyes open for Bitcoin Cash, because if the buyers come in the market, if they're in the market today, then definitely we're going to move higher in price tomorrow. So taking a look at the 3-hour bars for Bitcoin Cash, you can see here that I told you all that I was looking for Bitcoin Cash to move higher today, and it did, and it got inundated with some stockpile. I think I was expecting it to come up to around 11,002. Just came shy of that on this 3-hour bar, but nevertheless we're still getting some weakness at this particular moment. And I will tell you that if Bitcoin Cash cannot stay above 10,800 Gs, then expect this particular market to continue to move lower in price. But if we can hold support around the lows of these bars, then again, I'm expecting us to stay within consolidation to where that is going to be support. And then resistance is going to be all the way up here towards 11,150 sheaves. So there you go. If we did not fall below 10,800 Satoshis, I told all of our members to expect consolidation, movement higher, and we did not actually. This is a 3-hour bar that we was reflecting on as the recording in our video, and you can see here that the market was able to close towards the high of the bar, and we did not break the lows of these particular bars that I just mentioned, and that was going to be support. And I told you all that that was going to be support, and it has been, and that was going to come all the way up to 11,150 Satoshis, and actually we went all the way up to around 11,003. So definitely there is no hiding what we understand in the cryptocurrency space. Literally, we are doing this before the market actually moves, and you need to ask yourself the question, how can they do that? So many other people tell me what has already occurred. Well, we have learned and understand now that it is very possible to predict where prices are likely to go. And if you are not a member, then that's the only place you're going to get this type of analysis. So simply, what are you waiting for? It's a meager $3 a month. That's like 10 cents a day that you guys will have access to all of this analysis, plus much more. Okay. So that's all I got for today. Make sure you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.